Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Rashid Bake, and now I want to make a tutorial or explaining about my project that is Bitaqwaap. Okay, I have this code. Okay, I will explain first about this app or the feature of an Android Studio. Okay, for the first is file. For the file, there is a um, have a new that this can make a new project, import project, project for version control, new module, and tutorials like a Java class, Kotlin class, and the other. And then it's open. That is for opening the other project in the Bitaqwaap or this Android. And then it's profile or the book. And open listen is like open the project, listen, the open that. And then the close project is a class that project or like close your project. And then link simple plus and setting is for setting your Android. And then project structure for properties, save all is for saving, and save project with Gradle is for Gradle in the project. And then this have the chats this for restart the Android Studio. And then manage idea and new project setting. And export is for like export to zip file or file abstract to HTML. Print at threads for save mode and exit. Okay, and then is edit is have something like undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, delete, find sets, and there is like a short line, duplicate line, reverse line, converting then you need a line of selection, macros, to go case, and the other. Okay, and then is looks expanding about something other like versus root manifest XML. That is in the application or and this is the list. Okay, and we now go to the dashboard, the third, and inspiration list data. Inspiration list data is a list for inspiration. That is like banner in the dashboard. And then is inspiration data. This is a data for the inspiration. The inspiration model. This is I haven't to made it because I've learned for the inspiration model. And the expert activities like that. It's a second activity. Private lieutenant for that's a binding. Binding is for calling the something like IV header or like IV icon menu doa, zikir, zakat, and the other is. Nah, okay, like that. And then is for adapter is this is adapter for the for the list like this. Okay, and then is a data. Data is for like data is like the what is a value from the etika baik slide or makan dan minum data or pagi dan malam data and the details for the model is as a model from doa. And then this detail doa activity is activity for the data like a user is extra binding for calling activity doa like this. And finish and order super. And then is list doa. This is list for pagi dan malam, rumah, makanan, minuman, perjalanan, sholat, dan etika baik. And then is bending again for calling your doa. Yeah, this is the purple one is the purple color is bending. Is perfect line for activity is doa bending. And then is menu doa activity. This is menu doa for the activity calling a card of equivalent for the click that will open what or something like that. And the other is like this uh, this menu zikir, jadwal salat, kajian, and zakat. We go to this is for a testing Bitaqwaap. And then is res or resource. Resource is something like image you input to this uh, under video explaining about from the drawable is a background needs a png that's for xml and the values or add on layout in this in this thing. Okay, and there is background header is for the top and the first if you open the application, and then is the for the morning and this for the night, and the other is same for something like that, like this, like this. Okay, this is the image for something uh, image for this application, and this is the thumbnail of the video that will be added in this application. Okay, and then is there is font. This is font for the application is using a pens that is have a bold, italic, like medium, regular, semi bold, and thin, like this. Okay, and I will explain to the next things. There is activity dashboard. Activity dashboard is the first slide or something you seen in the first dua harian in inspiration, like this. This is the first slide that will you see firstly, and it's for the code. This is XML and constraint layout, image view, text view, horizontal scroll view. This for scroll up and down, and then it's have a constraint to image text, image text, image text, image tag, and like that. And that's for the text view is have a horizontal view for the European inspiration, and then is activity detail doll. Activity doll like this, like I would say that this is from this is using a background rounded doa. This is it's taking from the resource in drawable. Okay, and then this is title doa is widget in this is toolbar title doa, and this is the Arabic, Latin, description, and riwayat. Okay, and then for the next I will explaining about this doa. It's just like this. It still is, and menu doa is like this. If you touch some from pagi malam, rumah makan perjalanan, sholat dan etika baik, that will be some slide is will be added to here, like zikir like this, jadwal salat, window video kajian, atau doa, atau inspiration, like this. And for the colors is like this. This for added some colors like a bromine color, bromine dark, color accent, color pink, white, color text, color gray, and the other color like that. And for the string, this for the text to add some like makanan minuman, pagi dan malam, and the other. And for the style is for appearance maybe, and for the gradle, it is like some main for this application, like the bar slice that is make some code is have a function that is a bar slice, and the version is Bluetooth is to the errors and something like that. Okay, be just like that. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.